that our people must know that this government here, where we are in broad-based arrangement, is the best arrangement for us. I have been in arrangement with Moi, I was in arrangement with Kibaki, I was in arrangement with Uhuru, and I can tell you, this is the best arrangement I see. I'm telling you from experience. I'm telling you from experience. We have never had a closer relationship in government than this. So let us work together. Those who are saying Ruto must go, I'm happy now they are saying that they will now mobilize people and remove us from government in 2027. That is the way to go. Let us compete. Our agencies, we have our agencies, they have their agencies. Let us register and become voters. When you are a voter, you have a voice. And if you want to remove Ruto, please do it through the ballot. Why do you want shortcuts? There's no shortcut in the Constitution. We must follow the Constitution. So, Gachagua, please, leave us alone. We don't mind. Do what you like. Register your people. We are also registering. Our youth, please, please register as voters. Let us vote. Let's wait for 2027 and we'll see what happens. So thank you very much. I would like now to read Raila's statement. And there is Raila's son here who came here with me. And he is Ukesh Sala from Migori here. I would just like him to say hi to you.
Good afternoon. Dothuru Amoso.